Of the many things I want to say, the first really should be thank you. So thank you. Thank you for your generosity and your compassion, for your patience and your unconditional love. I am so proud of the growth that we've had, and so thankful for all the adventures that we've shared. I can't wait to move into this next chapter of life with you.
I stand here as a better, calmer, more positive man. My support for you will never waver. I will stand by your side through any challenge, be it physical, mental, or financial. We stand on the cusp of a new chapter in our lives, and I know it will be full of more extraordinary experiences. Only now we'll be as husband and wife. 4 arms, 4 legs, 2 faces. Mahal na mahal kita, Kuchiko.
Aloha lilo ma'ave, kakao launa, launa maui. And what that means is this: may love be the cord that binds this. All right, you guys, are you ready? Here it comes. And now, by the authority given to me by the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may now kiss.
And endless mountains, rising seas, foreign lands and boundless trees. I could never go where you could not go. You will always be the one to lead that I follow, and you will always be the brightest life I've ever seen. We could never be a moment apart, and in my life you'll always be the greatest part, the heart in me, the heart in me.
I stand here today with God as my witness, where the sky kisses the sea and the sea hugs the shore, until my last breath escapes my lips in this world, and until time runs out in the next. I promise to love you for all that you are, all that you were, and all that you will be. I love you very much.